To redeem Roblox promo codes on a PC or mobile device, start by opening a browser and navigating to roblox.com. Once logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Gift Cards, then click on Redeem Card in the top right corner. This is where you can redeem codes for gift cards, promo codes, and virtual items. Simply enter the code and select Redeem to receive the item or reward. The process is similar on iOS or Android devices. Open a browser, navigate to roblox.com, and select Continue in Browser at the bottom of the screen. Log in to your account. Scroll down to the bottom and select Gift Cards, then Redeem to enter your code. After entering the code, select Redeem again to complete the process. Whether on a PC or mobile device, redeeming Roblox codes is a straightforward process that allows you to access new items and rewards.